Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is the Boss Couple 22. Today we're still out here in
Milan,
and we're kicking it live in the Rossellino Pilo area. So check out what we're doing today. What we're gonna do today, baby?
we're just going to walk about the local and see how the locals actually live instead of in the centre of Milan where most people go. So we're going to explore the surrounding areas.
We're taking it back. Watch your man flex. Well, it's good. Yeah, let's go then. Cross the street first, darling.
So on a hunt for something to eat for each brunch.
And this area here is called Milano Porta Venezia. So the Port of Venice area we're at. You can flex in Milan on a nice budget. You don't have to go all out all the time. You can just do it mediocre. You could go big, you could go small, you could go whatever. This is the downtown area, away from the tourism traps and more of locality. Yes, mate, big up yourself, son. I know you, you know me. See you next Wednesday. Yeah, that's a nice club called Dirty. Sicilian espresso coffee. Look at me hippie vibe, one of the vegan motherfuckers. They got them right here. Look at your open your eyes. Unbelievable burgers there. Salmon, Borahami. So here they take your pizza, they wait for you, and then they box it. Oh. Seeing the more people getting up now. So do you want to walk on the high street a bit? welcome. The stuff they're putting down in Milan right now, black and white, it don't make sense. Swarovski crystal, darling. The London bus. Wow. Nah, guys, no, really, we're in Milan, yeah? That's not a London bus. We're in Milan, look. It says Milano on the side, look, Sightseeing Milano.
City Sightseeing Milano.
They ain't the 73. That ain't the 48, that ain't the 29, honestly. On the 141, 171, nothing like that. That's not the 36. Trust me. Look, Milano, see? All right.
We are in Milano.
Trust me, we are in Italy, guys. No
We're not lying.
painting over stuff going on here.
No Photoshop.
No Photoshop. Yeah, it's the real stuff. This is a nice brand, Rituals.
Yeah. I was just telling Jason, if he wants to keep me happy, he needs to bring me to Italy at least twice a year.
See, even European sirens. So look, we're definitely not in London, honestly, look, see? You seen that in London before? Never. Check the registration numbers, come on.
But they've got the Vodafone, Foot Locker.
Yeah, we've got the regular stores.
Suspect.
We've got all the regular stores.
And this, guys, is where the locals live. So
Yeah.
this is Milano.
This is the local area, guys. Each paying £57 for shit, isn't it? Take a look. Dr. Martens, want to take a look? Somebody said they saw some strudel in the street. Yeah. So let's go and get a coffee. Piade bruschetta, grill and barbecue tonight, eh? Dinner, eh? Tonight, eh? Yeah, well, like it. And what I like about Italy is everybody can make some money. Everybody makes some money because the bar, he sells drinks, coffee, cappuccino, latte. Restaurant, cafeteria, they sell food. No mix up, no in-betweeners. It is what it is. Oh, he's got a bar in here as well. They're all small down here. That's what the height they are.
And I'm trying to find a normal size.
No, you're not going to find it.
So
Not
a
gonna find.
cappuccino.
Well, what's normal size? If you're in Italy, it is normal size.
Or as they call it here, I think it's called
Latte.
cream coffee.
See, man, give us drop the accent with her chat then. Boom, latte crap. Yeah, you mixing European, what's you going on with? What up? What up? What up? What up? You know what I mean? See, that man got scared. He was acting like a man, but then he saw him and he stopped. I must have that influence over people, bro.
He's mad at me.
He was, yeah, I'm madder than him. That's what he thought. They don't act mad in front of him. I might get duffed up. How much are they there? So, like I said to you earlier, guys, yeah, Italians have got it in a way, right? If you're in Italy, you're making your drink, you're in the bar, right? If you're in the restaurant, you're in the cafeteria. One sells drink, one sells food. That's it. Pastries.
Pastries as well.
And pastries, yeah. That's it, guys. So here's the drama, guys. Yeah, we just had a little coffee and a the little pastry. We'll sit down at the side of the road in a little like playground area. All of a sudden, about 500 pigeons just started flying down from the sky, like was trying to eat the pastry.
We're trying to still coming.
It's coming in, zoom, trying to run in on us, and we just got moved by about 100 pigeons, man. Have you ever been? Have you ever been moved by pigeons? Yo, they were serious, and they was hench as well. They was thick. As ever, guys, the Boss Couple 22, we go to the places, we go to the hood. Like what's his name says. We go to the places, yeah, Kurt says, yo, you go to the hood, man. You go to the places where people don't go. That's what we do. That's where you find the hidden diamonds in the rough. And we seem to always find them. Give God the glory. Keep it local to me, right? That's a bottle of wine, some wine, chill and relax, chat and discuss. Everybody's happy.